Okay, students, today we are going to study new transaction. The transaction is on your screen. The topic is going on, that is the petty cash book. And today what petty cash book, that is the analytical petty cash book is there, and that is under Impress system. So the total Impress money is to be maintained, that is 2000. The transaction on 1st August 2018. Opening petty cash balance 150. This is opening balance, and we have to show this as a two balance brought down, that is two balance BD, and rupees 150 we are required to show this to the receipt side, means left side of the petty cash book, in the column that is the amount received, that is the first column in petty cash book. So this 150 we have to write to the debit side, to the amount received column. Thereafter, the transaction second number, that is on 1st August, check received from head cashier. So here the word check is there. So at the place of check we have to represent this to bank. So here the head cashier, chief cashier means head cashier, he remitted money to the petty cashier through check. So this transaction we have to be represented by the to bank account, and to the particular we have to write to bank account, and again this amount 1850 we have to show to the left side to the petty cash book, to column amount received 1850. So here what is different thing, if the amount is being received by petty cashier through cash, then we have to write to the particular to cash account, or if the check is received from head cashier, then to the particular we have to write to bank account. So this is in different in cash and check. So if the cash received we have to write to cash, and if check received we have to write to bank. And it is simple to understand why for check we have to be write to bank account, because we all are knowing that check is there, means the transaction is going on through the bank, and therefore we have to represent to bank account here. And then next transaction, that is on 5th August, paid for carriers rupees 18 and envelopes rupees 65. So in this transaction there is two payments are there, carriers and envelopes. So now there is a need to think these two expenses we have to write to which accounting heads. That is the question now here. So for carriers we are supposed to require the accounting head, that is carriers. Carriers will go to the carriers account. So there we are supposed to need prepare the accounting head, that is the carriage. For this 18 rupees. So to the particular we have to write to carriage, and this 18 rupees we have to write to the total amount paid column, and then after that we have to transfer these 18 rupees to their respective accounting heads, that is the carriage. And then for envelopes, actually envelopes it is used by the office for sending the letters and other important documents. So this expenditure will go to the accounting head. The name is printing and stationery. So here we are supposed to require one more accounting head, that is the printing and the stationery. So this expenses of envelope. So in particular we have to write buy envelopes, and this 65 first we have to write to the column, that is total amount paid column, and then finally we have to transfer this 65 to their respective accounting heads, that is printing and stationery. Now the transaction on 6th August, paid for cleaning and washing charges. Paid for cleaning and washing charges. So this cleaning and washing, actually in petty cash book for this expenditure we are not supposed to prepare any accounting heads specially. Then what we do for this expenses, we put this expenses to the miscellaneous expenditure account head. Cleaning and washing charges, generally we put this expenses to the accounting head, that is miscellaneous expenses. So to the particular we have to write by cleaning and washing charges, and this 80 rupees again we have to write to the total amount paid column, and then we have to transfer to their respective accounting head, that is the miscellaneous expenses. Then transaction on 8th August, paid for telephone charges. Of course here the expenses is the telephone charges. So for this expenses we are supposed to require accounting head, that is the telephone charges. And for 6 there is the miscellaneous expenses. So telephone charges accounting heads we are supposed to prepare for these expenses. So in particular we have to write by telephone charges, and 280 rupees first we have to write to the column, that is total amount paid column, and then afterward we have to transfer this amount to their respective accounting head, that is telephone charges. So during the examination also we have to read the transaction one by one, and then we have to think that the transaction will go to which respective accounting heads, and there we have to write that particular accounting heads in front of that. So during the solving the transaction, at that time we will come to know that the respective transactions will go to which accounting heads, and this is also playing important role while we prepares the accounting head columns, analytical petty expenses column. During that time this help we. So then after that next transaction is there, 10th August 2018, paid for donation. डोनेशन के लिए अमाउंट पेड किया. देखो ये जो डोनेशंस है ये हम नॉर्मली डोनेशन का अकाउंटिंग हेड्स डोनेशन नहीं बनाते हैं. ये डोनेशन भी हम लोग मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंसेस में इसकी एंट्री कर देते हैं. So for donation also we have to post this expenses to the miscellaneous expenses. So to the particular we have to write by donation, and this 250 we have to show to the column that is total amount paid column, and then afterward we have to write again 250 to their respective account head, that is the miscellaneous expenses. And then on 14th August 2018, paid for subscription to newspaper. So here also this expenses we can show to the miscellaneous expenses, or we can prepare one new accounting head, that is the subscriptions. We can prepare, no doubt, but in our textbook actually they use miscellaneous expenses accounting head. One thing I would like to clear to you, that in BK, especially in petty cash book, there is no any hard and fast rule for the accounting heads. We can prepare as we like the accounting heads, but normally for subscription of newspaper, these are the sundry expenses, and we are not preparing any separate accounting head, that is the subscription to newspaper. So normally we show these expenses to the sundry expenses accounting head, that is called by the miscellaneous expenses. So in particular we have to write by subscription to newspaper, and again this 120 we have to write to the column, that is total amount paid, and again this 120 we have to write to their respective accounting head, that is the miscellaneous expenses. And now the transaction on 19th August, paid for postcard ₹60. यहाँ पे ये अमाउंट पोस्ट कार्ड के लिए पेड किया गया है. ये पोस्ट कार्ड जो है ये पोस्टेज से रिलेटेड एक्सपेंसेस है, तो इसके लिए हम लोग एक अकाउंटिंग हेड और भी बनाएंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड पोस्टेज. So this expenses will go to their respective accounting head, that is the postage. And this 60 rupees again we have to write in the column, that is total amount paid, and the same 60 rupees then again we have to show to their respective accounting head, that is in postage. Then after that the next expenses is there on the same date, that is the revenue stamps, purchase of revenue stamp. So for revenue stamp there is no any separate accounting heads, and therefore we have to write these expenses to the miscellaneous expenses accounting head, 45. Again this 45 we have to show to the total amount paid column, and then the 45 we have to show to their respective accounting heads. In earlier lecture, in theoretical part, I explain you that for revenue stamps purpose, these expenses we have to show to the miscellaneous expenses. And then on 22nd August 2018, पेड फॉर रिफ्रेशमेंट. रिफ्रेशमेंट का मतलब होता है नाश्ता, ऑफिस स्टाफ मेंबर्स को नाश्ता, या किसी क्लाइंट को नाश्ता, या आउटसाइडर या इनसाइडर किसी को भी फर्म ने नाश्ता सर्व किया, तो ये रिफ्रेशमेंट भी जो है कोई स्पेशल अकाउंटिंग हेड में नहीं आता है, इसको भी हम लोग मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंसेस में दिखाते हैं. फॉर रिफ्रेशमेंट देयर इज नो नीड टू प्रिपेयर एनी separate accounting head, that is the refreshment like that. So for this again we have to show to the refreshment to the particular like by refreshment, and then this 200 rupees we have to show to the column, that is total amount paid column, and then afterward we have to show the same 200 rupees to their respective accounting head, in which we are going to put this 200, that is the miscellaneous expenses. So there is no any hard and fast rule to which expenses, if these are the some common accounting heads, that is carriers, miscellaneous expenses, telephone charges, postage, and traveling and conveyance, printing and stationery, like that. And beyond to this accounting head, if there is any other expenses, all other expenses we are supposed to transfer to the miscellaneous expenses account. So देयर इज नो नीड टू बॉदर कि कौन सा हम लोग मिसलिनियस में डालेंगे, कौन सा मिसलिनियस एक्सपेंसेस में डालेंगे। तो वो हमें समझ में आ जाता है जब हम ट्रांजेक्शन पढ़ते हैं, तो तुरंत वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय द रीडिंग ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन इटसेल्फ इफ दैट इज एनी रेगुलर expenditure, and so that expenses we can show to the miscellaneous expenses accounting heads. And then the transaction on 26th August 2018 paid for auto charges. ये तो हमें तुरंत समझ में आ जाता है कि यहाँ पे पेटी कैशियर ने ऑटो फेयर के लिए अमाउंट दिया है, तो ये हम इसके लिए ट्रैवलिंग एंड कन्वेंस ये नया अकाउंटिंग हेड यहाँ पे बना देंगे, दैट इज द ट्रैवलिंग एंड कन्वेंस अकाउंट। तो पर्टिकुलर में वी आर सपोज टू राइट देयर बाय ऑटो चार्जेस, अगेन दिस 55, ये 55 रुपीज़ सबसे पहले हम लोग अमाउंट पेड कॉलम में लिखेंगे, उसके बाद में फिर यही अमाउंट हम लोग ट्रैवलिंग एंड कन्वेंस अकाउंटिंग हेड में ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे। तो ये एक्चुअली जो अमाउंट है हमको 2 बार शो करना पड़ता है, ये चीज़ मुझे आपको बताना है। यहाँ पे ये जितने भी अमाउंट यहाँ पे दिए हैं एक्चुअली ये इसकी एंट्री 2 बार होती है। एक तो कॉमन एंट्री सबकी होती है अमाउंट पेड कॉलम में, और फिर उसके बाद में दूसरी एंट्री जो है ये अमाउंट की उसके रिस्पेक्टिव अकाउंटिंग हेड्स जो हम लोग एनालिटिकल पेटी कैश एक्सपेंसेस में बनाते हैं टोटल कॉलम, उसके अंदर हम लोग रिलेटेड कॉलम रिलेटेड अकाउंटिंग हेड में हम इसको क्या करते हैं, ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं। एंड देन नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन दैट इज ऑन 27th August पेड वेजेस पेड किया, तो अफकोर्स यहाँ पे जो दूसरा अकाउंटिंग हेड बनेगा वो वेजेस है। वेजेस अकाउंटिंग हेड्स में हम लोग ये 75 रुपीज़ ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे, पर्टिकुलर में लिखेंगे बाय वेजेस, और ये 75 पहले हम लोग टोटल अमाउंट पेड कॉलम में लिखेंगे, and then we have to transfer this 75 to their respective accounting head, that is the wages account. And then next transaction on 28th August paid for repairs to machinery। यहाँ पे पेमेंट किया मशीनरी को रिपेयर्स करने का जो पेमेंट है, ऑफकोर्स यहाँ पे जो हमारा अकाउंटिंग हेड बनेगा वो होगा रिपेयर्स लिखें या तो पूरा लिखें रिपेयर्स एंड मेंटेनेंस लाइक दैट, और इवन वी राइट रिपेयर्स, दैट विल आल्सो बी करेक्ट। So here for this transaction we are required to prepare new accounting head, that is the repairs account, and for this we have to write to the particular buy repairs to machinery, and again this 180 we have to show to the total amount paid column and then we transfer this 180 to their respective accounting head, that is the repairs column. And then on 30, paid to Mr. Krishna. ये मैंने आपको थियरी में सिखाया था कि in petty cash book, whenever petty cashier is remit money to any individual account, so especially whenever any person payment is made to any name of the person or to any person, for that we have to prepare one common accounting head, that is the ledger account. So this transaction will post to their specially ledger account. So to the particular we have to write by Mr. Krishna, and this 500 rupees first we have to write to the column, that is total amount paid column, and then finally we have to transfer to 500 to the ledger. So total theory I explain you how we have to prepare this accounting heads. So near about total accounting heads we are going to prepare, that is the carriage and printing and stationery, telephone charges, postage, traveling expenses, traveling and conveyance, wages, repairs and miscellaneous expenses, and then finally ledger. So total including LF, suppose we are to prepare, that is the total 10 columns for the accounting head. So now I am going to solve the same problem. So these all are the columns which we prepared. That first column is the amount received. We all are knowing that in this column all the receipt we recorded in the serial order, and then date. This date is for all transaction. This column is common for receipt as well as for payment, and in particulars we write the all details for what the petty expenses is being made. This is the column voucher number. In voucher number we are not supposed to write anything unless there is any details given to the transaction. If the details of voucher it is given to the transaction, then only we write the voucher number here. But normally in transaction the voucher numbers are not giving. And then total amount paid. So this is the common column in which we have to write all the payments amount first in this column, that is the total amount paid column, and then after that this amount we have to transfer to their respective accounting head. These accounting heads are serially given here. The first accounting head, that is the carriage and cartage. Carriage का मतलब होता है भाड़ा, and this second accounting head is the printing and stationery, and then third accounting heads, that is the telephone charges, and fourth is the postage, then traveling and conveyance, wages, repairs, miscellaneous expenses, means sundry expenses, then LF, and then ledger. So the first transaction that is given, that is the opening petty cashier balance. So for opening balance we writes in particular to balance BD. And this is the receipt amount, opening amount is there. So for the opening amount, we are supposed to enter this 150 rupees to the amount received column. So they try to understand the concept very clearly. Actually, for amount column, there is two column. One column is for receipt, that is the left hand side, very first column, and this total amount paid, this amount column for payment. So for payment, we are supposed to write that amount here in total amount paid, and for amount received or opening balance, we have to write to this column, that is the amount received column, 150. Then the transaction on 1st August, again the check received from chief cashier, that is 1850. So this transaction is the receipt transaction, and the amount is received by petty cashier, that is through check. So that in particular we have to write to bank account because transaction is being made by the check, and therefore we have to write here bank account. And amount, again we have to show to the amount received column, that is 1850. And then afterward the transaction on 5th August, that is paid for carriers rupees 18 and envelopes rupees 65. So in this transaction, two different expenses given. The first is cartage and the next is the envelope. So for both we have to write here, actually we have to write date here, 2018, and this August 1st, this is 1st, and then this is 5th. So here for carriage, first we have to write by carriage, and the amount, that is rupees 18. We have to show in this amount paid column. And then for this carriage, we are having the accounting head, that is the carriage first, very first accounting head, that is carriage. Then we have to shift again this 18 rupees to their respective accounting head, that is to the carriage. Then again we have to write the date 5 because there is one more expenses, that is envelopes. So here we have to write by envelopes. That is 65. So we have to write this 65 first to the amount paid column, and then again this envelopes we transfer this 65. This envelope expenses will go to which accounting head? That is the printing and stationery. So here 65 rupees we have to transfer to their respective account head, 65. Then on 6th August, paid for cleaning and washing charges. So here we have to write the date. Then again, paid for cleaning and washing charges. So here we have to write by cleaning and washing charges. The amount is 80 rupees. So we have to write this to the total amount column paid, that is 80 rupees. And then we have to transfer this 80 to their concerned accounting head. I told you earlier, this cleaning and washing, for this expenses we are not preparing any new accounting head. This expenses we put to the miscellaneous expenses accounting head. So 80 rupees we have to transfer to the miscellaneous accounting head, that is 80 rupees. And then next transaction on 8 August, paid for telephone charges. So here we have to write date by telephone charges, and this 280 rupees. And now this amount we have to transfer to the accounting head, that is the telephone charges. This 280 will transfer to their respective accounting head, 280 rupees. And next transaction on 10th August, paid for donation by donation in total amount paid column, that is 250. And for donation, no any other accounting head is there. So this for donation we have to write this 250 to the miscellaneous expenses or sundry expenses accounting head, 250. And then transaction on 14th August, paid for subscription to newspaper by subscription to newspaper in amount column 120, and subscription to newspaper also it will go to the miscellaneous expenses accounting head. So here also we have to write 120. And then transaction on 19th, paid for postcard rupees 60 and revenue stamp rupees 45. So here in this transaction also there is two different expenses. So we are supposed to require the make the effect both separately. So first here we have to write by postcard. Postcard amount is 60. So this 60 rupees again we have to show to the accounting head, that is the postage, 60 rupees. And then again for 19 for revenue stamps. So here we have to write by revenue stamps 45. And this revenue stamp, for revenue stamps we have to show this expenditure to the accounting head, that is the miscellaneous expenses 45. Again we have to transfer to their respective head, that is the miscellaneous expenses. And next transaction, that is paid for refreshment on 22nd by the refreshment, and the amount is 200 rupees. So in this total amount paid column, first we have to write 200, and this refreshment also it will go to the miscellaneous expenses accounting head. So 200 we have to show to the miscellaneous expenses. And then transaction on next transaction is there on 26th August, paid for auto charges. So here we have to write the date, that is 26 by auto charges. $55 we have to write in total amount paid column, and then this auto charges we have to we prepared the accounting head for this expenses, that is traveling and conveyance. So this amount we have to shift to the traveling and conveyance accounting head 55. Then transaction for 27th August paid wages. So here we have to write by wages. ₹75, and we have to transfer this 75 to the wages accounting head that we prepared here, wages. So we transfer 75 to that accounting head, 75. And then transaction on 28th August. Paid for repairs to machinery. So here we have to write by repairs to machinery. Amount is 180. For these expenses we are having accounting head, that is the repairs, this. So we have to shift this 180 to this accounting head 180. And then there is a transaction on 30 August paid to Mr. Krishna. So here we have to write by Krishna. And the amount is 500. So whenever any amount remitted by petty cashier to any person, so that amount we have to write to the ledger account. This ledger account we prepared, ledger accounting head. Here we have to write 500. Now we did all the effects of transaction, and now we have to proceed towards tally and balancing of petty cash flow. So first we have to make the total of receipt side amount received. So this amount received total, it will be 2000. So we have to write 2000 here in second column. And now we have to make the total of this amount paid. This is 18 rupees, 65, 80, 280, 250, 120, 60, 45, 200, 55, 75, 180 and 500. So the total, if you are going to make the total of all these amount, the total amount is comes 1928. And then all respective total we have to, this 18 rupees we have to write here 18. This 65 we have to write here 65. This 280 we have to write here 280. This 60 we have to write here 60. This 55 in total we have to write 55. 75 in total 75. 180, it is 180. And now we have to make the total of miscellaneous expenses, that is 80, 250, 120, 45 and 200. The total will come 695. So 695 total will come. In LF we have to put dash and 500 here, total amount will come 500. And now the total amount received, it is 2000 and the total expenses made, that is 1928. So this 1928 we have to less from 2000, so the balancing figure will come 72 rupees. So here we have to write date 31st by balance CD 72, and in this column we have to write 2000. If we are going to add this both 1928 and 72, it will come 2000. And then finally we have to transfer the amount, this 72 here, that is August, then there will be September 1st to balance BD in amount column, that is 72. And then September 1st for impressed money to bank account, in amount column we have to write this amount 1928. This is total expenses. Whatever total expenses being made by the petty cashier, that total amount is going to be impressed. So this amount we have to write here 1928. So this is the analytical petty cash book. In next lecture we will solve some new transaction.